AtomOS 11 Standard is a custom operating system based on Windows 11 25H2 designed specifically for low-end PCs. The first installation screen is a little different from what you might expect. Instead of the usual Windows installer, you'll first see a desktop filled with several applications, while the installation window appears in the center. Here, you'll be able to choose from multiple languages. In this case, I'll select English, click Next, and then Install Now. From there, the installation process begins just like any standard Windows 11 installation. First, you'll accept the license agreement, choose the destination drive, and then Windows will quickly begin copying files and installing this Windows 11 25H2 based operating system. Once the installation is complete, the system automatically starts a file compression process. Many custom Windows developers use this method to significantly reduce the amount of disk space required by the operating system, and we'll see the results a little later. This process takes around 15 minutes, so you'll need to be patient and wait until it finishes. After the compression process is complete, you'll finally see the desktop along with the AtomOS project logo displayed on a clean, minimalist wallpaper. The Start menu is the official Windows 11 Start menu, and as you can see, there are no unnecessary applications or bloatware installed. At first glance, AtomOS 11 Standard is a completely clean operating system. On the taskbar, you'll find a shortcut to the Microsoft Store. Clicking it opens the Microsoft Store without any issues, allowing you to install any Windows Store application normally on AtomOS. If we run the WinVer command, we can see that AtomOS 11 Standard is based on Windows 11 25H2, specifically build 26200.6901, running on Windows 11 Pro. Next, let's open Task Manager to check the system's idle performance. We can see only 23 background processes running, CPU usage fluctuating around 7%, and memory usage sitting at approximately 2.4 gigabytes out of 4 available. Keep in mind that these numbers are only estimates. Your own results may be better or worse depending on your hardware configuration. If we open Windows Explorer, we'll see that the AtomOS 11 Standard ISO file is only 2.87 gigabytes in size. It's available in English, and you'll find the download on the official AtomOS website, which I'll leave linked in the pinned comment below. Checking the properties of the C drive, we can see that AtomOS 11 Standard occupies only 7.44 gigabytes of storage. Remember the file compression process we saw earlier? That's exactly how the developer managed to reduce the system to such a small footprint. Now, let's open the control panel and check the installed programs. The only application installed by default is Remote Desktop Connection. If we check Windows features, the developer already provides an update intended to improve system stability. As for optional Windows features, you'll find .NET Framework 3.5 and 4.8, legacy components, Microsoft Print to PDF, print services, SMB Direct, and client folder features enabled. One thing you'll notice is that right-clicking on the desktop does not display an extended context menu with extra applications. Instead, all the additional applications, tweaks, and improvements are organized inside the Post-Install folder. Inside the folder, you'll find several subfolders. The first one is called Start, containing applications and basic setup options. The second folder is Tweaks, which includes multiple categories for applying different system optimizations. You'll also find a Tools folder containing several useful utilities. Next is the Wallpapers folder, offering various desktop backgrounds in both light and dark mode. I'm going to apply this wallpaper to see how it looks. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer, this wallpaper or the default one that comes with AtomOS. Now, let's open the System settings to see what comes pre-configured. The first thing you'll notice is the familiar Windows activation message indicating that Windows needs to be activated. If we check the installed applications again, we'll once again see that only Remote Desktop Connection is installed, confirming that AtomOS 11 Standard comes completely free of bloatware. Next, let's open Privacy and Security. Windows Defender is included as the default antivirus solution. If we open Windows Update, we'll see that updates are paused until the year 2050. If you click Resume Updates, you'll be able to update the system normally. However, as I always recommend, it's generally not a good idea to update a heavily modified Windows build, because doing so can undo many of the optimizations implemented by the developer, potentially reducing overall performance and stability. And that's AtomOS 11 Standard, a Windows 11 25H2 custom build created specifically for low-end PCs. If you'd like to try it for yourself, you'll find the official AtomOS website linked in the pinned comment below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, give it a hype to help it reach more people, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll also leave some more videos about custom Windows operating systems right here that you definitely don't want to miss.